Siargao. Flew in that prop plane right there. Looks like we're in a jungle.
Well, we arrived here, and this is our place, so we have a table and chair to sit here. We have a lot of stuff here. This is our room. We have a 2 double bed here. And I have a small table that we can sit here, and a wardrobe, and then this is the fridge, and very nice. They have this hot plate that you can cook, and this rice cooker, and the best thing, they put in each room have a big bottle of water. And this toilet, they have the water heater, very nice. Definitely they have AC. Yeah. Well, this is our place here for 1,500 peso a night, and it's nice. The view of outside is a garden view.
Yeah, it's a weekly rate. We can obviously get a better rate if we go monthly. So.
Oh, for sure, yes. Yeah, you see, this is our view here. It's nice. Finally, we are here in Siargao, Philippines at 𝐿9 Beach. Siargao is a tropical paradise known for its world-class surfing wave, stunning white sand, palm tree, and laid-back island vibe. We hear a lot of good things about Siargao. It is a hippie community, so people are friendly, and the food really surprised me. It is so delicious. The local Filipino food had better options for me, and the crazy number of vegetarian options were great for them. Our accommodation was a 9-minute walk to 𝐿9 Beach. We came to 𝐿9 Beach to watch the surfing and the beautiful sunset every night.
We could go for a swim. It's just so hot. It's not very deep, so the tide's out, obviously.
It's great.
Yeah, let's go in that pool. The tide's out right now, so. Yeah?
Very
Beautiful,
nice.
huh?
Yeah.
It's a nice temperature. Whew.
Very nice. Like this is very nice.
I don't have suntan lotion on my body, so I have my t-shirt on. It's perfect, huh?
Perfect.
It feels very nice.
Yeah. We pick a good spot here, huh?
It's beautiful.
It's much better than the first spot that we stayed.
Yeah.
Here is much better.
Yeah. You mean our apartment now?
Yeah.
Oh, our apartment's amazing.
Yeah, it's not always stay in those yellow color zones, sometimes. But this is also in yellow color zone, but it's more spread out. But it's hippie and nice.
Yeah, this is just a surfer area. That's why it's people are here. It's a whole surfing community.
Yeah.
So everyone's here to surf. A lot of the tourists are surfing too.
Yeah.
The ones that are not surfers, they're taking lessons. Lessons are $10, by the way.
Yeah.
And that includes the teacher for an hour and the
Yes.
surfboard.
Yeah, and surfboard. Yeah. This is a thing that I bought from Bali. Very nice. Nice, right?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Thank you.
Mango, mixed lychee,
Oh.
beans, watermelon.
So it's vegetarian. Okay.
This one.
Yeah.
They have chicken soup in them or
No, only veggie. Chop suey. This one called chop suey.
nice.
Yeah. The pork curry.
So
Spicy. You want it
thank you. So this is a vegetarian dish, so it's 50, which is $1, $50, and this is 20, which is like 30 cents. And then
100, 150.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yours is like 4.75.
So then bring me to eat the Filipino local food, and you find that one also have a vegetarian. The food is good,
Yeah, it's not bad.
yeah, but I just take too much meat. I don't know how they counting the thing, but it's good. Now I learn, only take one meat.
Little food cart thing. There's frozen yogurt. There's a couple of other restaurants back in there and places to eat, like a food cart kind of thing. And this is actually called Tour Street here. So most of these places are a little more expensive. You know, like maybe $4 to $6 for food. Wow, sunset. Beautiful colors, huh?
The menu.
Yeah. We just ate, but maybe we'll come back and eat here another time. Oh, love it. Man, struck gold again. Look at this place. Beautiful water. Palm trees. You can argue all you want, but no one's gonna listen to you complain if this is your view.
There's the menu here.
Okay.
If you want to know more about the most beautiful white sand beaches in the Philippines, watch the video in the upper right hand corner of your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, just drop a like to support me and leave a comment and subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this. Follow us on the Facebook page and we will see you in the next. Take care and bye bye.